Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. Check the comment section to enter Discord for absolutely free because back in at 1st of August I was actually mentioning that we're not in any short-term trade. I'm noticing some final discounts. That means August and September are not so friendly. We might get Luna Classic here and Pepe down here. This was back at 1st of August. You can check the price of Luna Classic and Pepe back at that time and check the prediction that I was actually expecting. So now we actually did that. Is the bottom in for Bitcoin? That's actually the question. I personally think yes, the bottom probably is in. The maximum you may actually even touch is for 47,000. But right now, Bitcoin has this, I'm going to tell you what this is. So if this in itself is actually a bullish pattern, okay? This pattern that you look at is actually bullish. Reason being bullish is because it's a descending broadening wedge. Okay, so you're descending, but it's a wedge that is also broadening to the sideways right now. Okay, and just as you go rejected here and you drop down, we can actually say that support is there, support is there, support is there, this support here. And from here, if the script actually works, if this channel gets respected as long as it gets maintained, then the next move is obviously to get back here to 47 or sorry, not 47 but $69,000, I guess. So we're probably going to be going back to $69,000 right after getting down over there. So I think even the 1 hour time frame is actually closing above this line. And if you notice right here, we've actually just made a wick down here, but we just ended up closing above the line itself, which is actually a good indicator and a good hint that probably the bottom is in. Now the next thing is also to check the weekly time frame, and if I do that very quickly, and I'm going to show you how the weekly is looking like at the moment, and we have the EMA. So the 55 EMA is going to act as a very, very big support as well. Just notice that, okay? And that's the absolute last area of our, what do you call this, of our chance, of our expectation or our hope. This is at the absolute last area, because if you start to go under the 55 and then you make some bearish cross, Bitcoin can go down really badly, and I don't even know where exactly you're gonna go, and I will never understand why that really happened, okay? Because that will be the very first time that any trader out there in the world is going to say, we failed to predict a bull run, including me. And this is going to be something that pretty much is going to happen in 12 years and will be totally unexpected, which we don't want to see. All right, if we start to seeing this thing, then even the strongest people will start shaking. Okay, even the strongest men will start to shake a little bit, like, okay, what's going on now, right? You're going to be in that department, in that zone, where you're going to ask yourself, what kind of a drama is this going on? Okay, but right now, uptrend is still there and the EMAs are still maintained, and this is the last final EMA visit. Now after that, we still have chances on the monthly. Okay, we're still not done just yet. We have the 10 and probably the 20 as well. These are still together. Now as far as I'm concerned, if you start to lose that 55 and you make a bear cross of the 55, then you're going to come to the 55 of the monthly, which is actually $32,000, which does not make sense, and let's just hope we do not even go there, right? And right now, short term, because those are big stories, but we still need to lose support and stuff. So at the moment, it's just it would be amazing to see Bitcoin up here, back up, and then break above, and then continue to go even higher. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.